Let's talk about something you use every single minute of every day, often without even thinking about it. I'm talking about the invisible architecture of your life, computer applications. They are literally the tools that power our world.
Seriously, just take a second and think about it. Before you even had that first sip of coffee this morning, how many different pieces of software did you interact with? The answer? Well, it might just surprise you.
Okay, for most of us, it probably started right here. The alarm app on your phone that dragged you out of bed and into the real world. Bam. That's one.
Then what's next? You gotta know what you're facing, right? So a quick tap on the weather app to figure out if it's a short stay or a sweater day. That's two.
And I'm willing to bet you definitely glanced at a messaging app, just to see what you missed overnight. So there you go. That's 3 apps, and your day has barely even started.
And that's the whole point. These little programs we rely on, from your alarm to your email, they're all applications. They're the fundamental building blocks of how we get things done with technology.
So, okay, we throw this word app around all the time. But what does it actually mean? If we really want to understand their power, we kind of need to get the definition straight first.
And here it is. An application is a program designed for you, the end user, to do something specific. And that word, specific, is absolutely crucial. An app always has a job to do, whether it's editing a photo, calculating a budget, or, launching Angry Birds at something.
Now this is a really great way to think about it. Your computer's operating system, like Windows or Mac OS, that's the workshop. It's the building, it's got the electricity, the workbenches, the whole setup. The applications then are the tools inside that workshop. The hammer, the saw, the paintbrush. You use the tools to do the actual work, but they can't do anything without the workshop to support them. And these tools, they fall into a few big buckets that pretty much mirror what we do every day. We create things, we explore the web, we connect with people, and of course, we relax and have some fun. Each category is basically a digital version of a fundamental human activity. But here's where it gets really mind-blowing. This whole idea goes so much deeper than just our personal phones and laptops. That same basic concept of an app scales up to run the most critical parts of our entire world. I mean, think about the business world. Specialized applications are the central nervous system of modern companies. They track every single product, manage every dollar, and analyze market trends. Modern commerce literally could not exist without them. And in medicine? Well, the stakes are literally life and death. Apps are managing sensitive patient data, controlling unbelievably precise medical devices in operating rooms, and helping scientists crunch massive amounts of data in the search for new cures. It's incredible. And when it comes to actually building things, wow. Engineers use CAD software to design everything from the phone in your hand to massive skyscrapers. And scientists use modeling apps to simulate everything from climate change to the collision of entire galaxies. And of course, in the world of learning, apps have completely changed the game. They create virtual classrooms that connect people from all over the globe and put some of the most powerful research tools ever invented into the hands of students everywhere.
So from a simple calculator on your phone to a complex climate model running on a supercomputer, what's the common thread? What are the fundamental jobs that every single one of these applications is built to do?
It really all boils down to these 3 things. First, they let us perform tasks, create stuff, edit stuff, manage information. Second, they enable interaction. They give us an interface, the buttons and menus, so we can actually tell the machine what we want it to do. And finally, they allow multitasking, which lets us juggle all these different tasks at once, just like we do in real life.
And that right there, that's the big takeaway. A computer, at its heart, is just a box of circuits with a ton of raw processing potential. Applications are what make it useful. They are the essential bridge that connects that raw machine power to our very human goals.
So, the next time you tap an icon on your screen, just remember what it is you're really doing. You're picking up a purpose-built tool, a solution designed to solve a specific problem. And from waking you up on time to mapping the entire universe, these applications are our ever-expanding toolkit for human ingenuity. So the only real question left is, what problem will you solve next?